Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Factors, lesson number 5. Before doing the exercises, we must know about what are the factors. When a number divides another number exactly, then divisor and quotient are the factors of the dividend. Dividend is called the multiple of the divisor and quotient. This we can know with the help of the example. When 28 is divided by 7, we get the 4 as a quotient and it is exactly divisible. And 7 and 4 are the factors and 28 is the multiple. Here 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Here 7 and 4 are the factors and 28 is the multiple. Now we will go to the prime numbers. Numbers which have only two factors, 1 and number itself, is called the prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5 and 7. Here 2 is divisible by only 1 and 2, and 3 is also divisible by 1 and 3 only, like this. Now next is your composite numbers. Numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. In these digits, the 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. And in 6 also, 6 is divisible by 1, 6, 2 and 3. Now we have more than two factors here. Next is unique numbers. Number 1 is a unique number, which is neither prime nor composite, but it is the factor of all the numbers, even numbers. Numbers which are the multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Odd numbers. Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now, we will be going to the questions. Write the factors of the following numbers. 36. Now, we have to find the factors of 36. Here, we will divide the 36 by 1 first. Number 1 and 36. Number itself, that is. They are the factors. Now, we will first divide it by 2. 2 18s are 36. Now it is exactly divisible. So 2 and 18 are the factors of 36. After this we will be dividing 36 by 3. 3 12s are 36. Now this is also exactly divisible. So 3 and 12 are the factors of 36. After this we will divide it by 4. 4 9s are 36. Now 4 and 9 are the factors of 36. After this 5 won't be divisible by 5 cannot divide 36, so it cannot be the factor of 36. We will divide it by 6. 6 6 are 36. So 6 is also the factor of 36. Like this we have the factors of 36, that is 1, 36, 2, 18, 4, 9, 3, 12 and 6, and that will be your answer. Next question is, circle the factors of 24 among the following. Now we have the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 6, 4 and 8. Now first we will divide 24 by 2. If it is exactly divisible, then only it will be a factor of 24. We will divide by 2. 2 12s are 24. It is exactly divisible. So 2 is the factor and we will circle it. After that we will take 3. We will divide 24 by 3 and we get 3 8s are 24. So that means it is exactly divisible, and so 3 is also the factor. After that we have 5. We will divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20, and this when you subtract 24 from 20 from 24, you get 4 as a remainder. It is not exactly divisible. So 5 would be the factor of 24. And when we divide 7, divided by 7, then also 7 threes are 21. And when you subtract it, you get the remainder 3. So this is all 7 is also not the factor of 24. Now we will divide it by 6. 6 fours are 24 and it is exactly divisible. So 6 is the factor of 24. Here 4 and 8 are also the factors of 24. Now so we will circle all those digits which are the factors of 24. Next is your prime factorization by division method. 216. We will divide 216 by the least number, the smallest number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 cannot be divided, so we will put it 0. It will become 16. 2 eights are 16. We will get 108. Now we will divide it by 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 fours are 8. Now we have got 54. Now 2 again by divide by 2. 2 twos are 4. 1 will go here. It will become 14. And 2 sevens are 14. Now we have 27. And 27 cannot be divided by 2. So we will take another number, that is 3. 3 nines are 27. Now we have get 9. Now we will divide it by 3. 3 threes are 9. And now we have 3 here. And we will divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3. So the factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And that is your answer. After this, we will be doing prime factorization using the factor tree method. First is 94. Now here we will divide 94 by the least number, that is 2. 2 fours are 8 and 1 will go here, it will become 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now 47 cannot be divided by any other number. So we will take it like this only. So the factors of 94 are 2 into 47 and that is the answer. The next question is 220. Now 220 again we will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 0 will be like that only. Now we have got 110. And now 110 will be divided by 2. 2 fives are 10. 1 will be go here. This will become 10 and 2 fives are 10. Now it is 55. Now we cannot divide 55 by any other number except the 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So we are having the factors 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. And that is your answer. Next question is find the HCF of the following. Now we have to take out the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Now 16 and 28. We will take out the factors of 16 and 28 separately. Now first we will take out the factors of 16. Now by the least number I told you. 2 eights are 16. Now we are having 8 here. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 fours are 8. Now we have 4 here. Again it will be divisible by 2. Now 2 twos are 4. Now we are having 2 here. Again it will be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now we have the factors here of 16. Now we will move to the 28. Now we will divide 28 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Now we are having 14 here. 2 sevens are 14. Now we have 7. Now 7 ones are 7. Now all these are the factors of 28. So when we will write here 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. Now we have all the factors of 16 and 28. Now we will see the common factor among 16 and 28. The 2 here and 2 here. 2 here and 2 here. But we don't have 7 here in 16 factors. And we don't have 2 here, any more 2 here. So we will take these 2 and these 2. 2 into 2 and that is equal to 4. And that will be your HCF and that is your answer. After this, we will have find the HCF by prime factorization. This prime factorization method is exactly what we have done here. Now 44, 68 and 108. We have three numbers here. Now we will take out the factors of 44 first, then 68 and then 108. Now first 48. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now we are having 22 here. Then again it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now we have 11 and 11 can be divisible by 11 only. 11 1s are 11. Now we have the factors of 44, that is 2 into 2 into 11. Now we will take out the factors of 68. By 2, we will divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. We have 34 here. Again 34 will be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Now we are having 17 here. Now 17 can be divided only by 17. 17 1s are 17. Next we will divide it, take out the factors of 108. 108. Now it will be divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. We are having 54 here. Now 54 will be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 will go here. It will become 14. 2 7s are 14. Now we have 27 and 27 cannot be divided by 2. So we will take the another digit, that is 3. 3 9s are 27. Now 9 will be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 will be divided by 3 and 3 1s are 3. Now we have taken out the factors of all the numbers. So 44 is equal to 2 into 2 into 11 and the 68 is equal to 2 into 2 into 17. 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here we will see that we have 2 in all the three numbers. Here and here also 2 in all the three numbers. But we don't have 3 and 11 and 17 in all the three numbers. So 2 into 2. We will take only 2 into 2 like this. And so the HCF is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4, and that will be your answer. After this we will go to the next question, that is HCF by common division method, or you can say it as a shortcut method. We have taken out the factors here separately, but here we will take out the factors together. 36, 48 and 108. We will take out the factors of all these numbers collectively. Now first we will divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We will get 24 here. Then 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now we have 54 here. Now again it will be divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 12. 2 2s are 4, 1 will go here, it will become 27. Now we have 9, 12 and 27. We cannot divide it by 2, all the three digits, but we can divide it by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. Now we are having 3, 4 and 9. But we cannot divide these all the three numbers by neither by 2 nor by 3. So we will take the factors only this much, only 2 into 2 into 3. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, and that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 will be your answer. Next is HCF by division method, that is 98 and 130. So we will divide 130 by 98. Here we will divide 130. 130 will become the dividend and 98 will become a divisor. 98 1s are 98. And when we subtract it, we will get 32 here as a remainder. Now this 32 will become a divisor, and this divisor will become a dividend, 98. Now when we divide it, then it will be divided by 3 and we will get 96 here. And when you subtract it, you will get 2. and 2 as a remainder. This 2 will become a divisor, and this will become 32 will become a dividend here. And when you divide it, you will get the quotient as 16 here, and there won't be any remainder. So the last divisor will be your answer. So HCF is equal to 2, and that is your answer. With this, our factors are over, and in the next video I'll be sharing with you multiples.